What if you could get powerful AI reasoning and coding from Claude, or switch to DeepSeek and spend dramatically less? I wanted to see whether Claude's premium experience is actually worth the extra cost. So let's put Claude AI and DeepSeek head-to-head for writing, research coding, reasoning, speed, and value. Claude is Anthropic's AI assistant, with its latest lineup including Fable 5, Opus 5, Sonnet 5, and Haiku 4.5. Claude is especially focused on complex knowledge work, coding, and long-running agentic tasks. Claude Platform. DeepSeek has taken a different approach, focusing heavily on capable models at much lower API prices. Its newly launched V4 Pro is priced at $1.32 per million input tokens and $3.96 per million output tokens. Reuters. Let's give both the same prompt. Explain how AI agents work to someone who has never used AI before, then give 3 real-world examples. Claude gives me a polished conversational explanation and does a great job organizing complicated information. DeepSeek is also surprisingly strong here. The answer is detailed, structured, and useful, without the premium price. For normal writing, brainstorming, summaries, and explanations, I honestly don't think most users need the most expensive model. Now let's make things harder. I'll ask both to build a responsive landing page, then introduce a bug and ask the AI to find and fix it. This is where Claude starts pulling ahead. Claude's current models are heavily optimized for coding and agentic workflows, with Fable 5 positioned specifically for long-running agents and difficult coding tasks. So in Claude Platform, DeepSeek V4 Pro is also much stronger than earlier DeepSeek generations, with improved agent capabilities and coding performance. Reuters. But for a complex project where I need the AI to understand the whole code base and make multiple connected changes, I'd still trust Claude more. And this is where DeepSeek becomes extremely attractive. Claude Pro currently costs $20 per month when billed monthly, or $17 per month with annual billing. Claude. DeepSeek's API pricing is dramatically lower, especially for V4 Flash, while V4 Pro is still considerably cheaper than premium Claude models. Reuters. So if you're building an application that sends thousands or millions of AI requests, cost can completely change the decision. Writing, Claude. Reasoning, Claude. Coding, Claude. Speed, DeepSeek. Price, DeepSeek. Value, DeepSeek. Overall, Claude. So which one should you choose? Choose Claude for demanding coding, professional writing, complex reasoning, and long-running AI workflows. Choose DeepSeek if price, accessibility, and high-volume AI usage are your priorities. My personal opinion, Claude is the better all-around premium experience, but DeepSeek is the value champion. If I had to pay for only one, I'd choose Claude. But for cost-sensitive projects, I'd definitely keep DeepSeek in my toolkit. Like subscribe and turn on notifications for more AI comparisons.